Welcome to the STEM at Elementary School with Robotics course. Bringing STEM into the classroom creates problem solvers. STEM skills allow students to identify problems using a logical approach to find a solution. STEM is more than content, it's a way of thinking. Within each core-aligned topic folder, the following content is included: Teacher's Guide, STEM at Challenge, Coding Activity, 3D Print Project, and Teacher's Resources. This course is split between grades K through 2 and grades 3 through 5. Then it also has a Robotics and Circuitry course folder where if we enter that, we can view different lesson plans for the different grade levels. If we go back to the folders here, we can view grades K through 2 and see that inside we have each core subject and then its corresponding lessons and activities. To get started with any STEM Fuse course, make your way to the Start Unit or Module 0 to view standard alignment, pacing guides, connections to industry certifications, and more. The course teacher guide allows you to view each module at a glance. This is great for preparing for the integration of an individual module or for building a year-long course. Each student-facing module in the STEM at Elementary School with Robotics course includes digitally interactive lesson plans, corresponding activities, and summative and project-based assessments. End-of-module assessments are self-graded and provide you as the teacher with detailed reporting on student outcomes and remediation plans to improve weak areas. Each module also includes detailed teacher's guides designed to help you plan, prepare, and understand for what students will be learning and accomplishing in each module. Answer keys and grading rubrics for project-based assessments can be found in the Resources folder. To get more information, review access, or to schedule a more in-depth webinar demonstration, please contact your STEMFuse representative or email sales@stemfuse.com.